Hi, it's Jeff with Terrain 4x4 Adventures coming back to you with another video featuring products that are designed to help make our van life experience more enjoyable. So today we're going to talk a little bit about prevention. We bought our Sprinter van primarily to go off-road. It's a four-wheel drive, and we're going to use it quite a bit for skiing. So we're going to be hitting some icy, snowy roads, and out on the trail we'll probably certainly encounter some brush occasionally and some debris along the way. And one of the issues with these Mercedes Sprinter vans is that they've got a front wheel speed sensor that's in a bit of a vulnerable position. So knowing that, Agile Off-Road developed a guard, and it's just a simple guard that you can place in front of that speed sensor, that wheel speed sensor, to help prevent it from getting destroyed. It's a pretty expensive part, and I understand you got to go to Mercedes for it. I think it's about 180 bucks a piece. So we don't want to have to replace that. So I went out and got a set of these, and I'm going to walk you through the install. So to remove the screw holding the wheel sensor in, you will need to have a star socket, and it's an E8, and it's basically the inverse of a Torx. And so it looks like this. Can you see that? So I just ran down to Harbor Freight, and for 12 bucks, I was able to get a set of these guys. Probably not a bad idea to keep those in the toolkit. And then once you remove that screw holding that wheel speed sensor in, then the Agile kit comes with a 5mm hex bolt that will go in to replace that screw that you remove. And then of course you're going to want to add a little bit of the blue Loctite to that as well, so to make sure that it's nice and secure and doesn't fall off. So let me walk you through the installation. I think it's going to be pretty simple. Okay, so I'm up underneath the front driver's side fender, and just here's where that vulnerable sensor is. And so I've got the wheel cranked all the way to the left just to give me a little bit better access. And so we'll remove this and add on the guard. Okay, so there is a left and a right, so make sure that you've got the correct one for the right side. And we're gonna dab on a little Loctite here on our stainless steel nut. In place. A little awkward of a reach, but I'm just going to hand tighten it. All right, so now that I've got it hand tightened, I'm just going to finish it off. Cinch it down nice and snug. All right, there we go. And I'll just repeat on the other side. All right, so there you go, about a 10-minute installation. Just want to show you the tools that I use. Just a Craftsman 1/4-inch nut drive with that special socket, star socket. And again, that's an E8. And then a 5mm Allen that I have on this little Craftsman 1/4-inch driver. Really good for getting into tight spots. And this is just a look at the screw that you end up replacing. So there you have it. Piece of cake. Again, a little preventive medicine to help keep us on the go. Hope you like this video, so please hit that like button and subscribe, and hope to see you out on the trails. Take care, all. In the description, I've included a link to where you can order your wheel speed sensor guards.